Have the first Tesla owners changed their batteries? Tesla revolutionized the electric vehicle market over a decade ago. But have the first Tesla owners had to replace their batteries yet? And if so, how much does it cost? Let's find out. Tesla's early models, like the Model S from 2012, promised battery longevity of 300,000 to 500,000 miles. Many owners report still using their original batteries after more than a decade, thanks to Tesla's advanced battery management system. But what if you do need a new battery? Current estimates suggest a replacement can cost anywhere from $13,000 to $20,000, depending on the model and battery size. That includes parts and labor at Tesla service centers. Tesla provides an 8-year or 15,000-mile warranty on most models. So, if you bought an early Model S or Model X, your warranty might have already expired. Regular maintenance and smart charging habits can help extend battery life. So, while battery replacements are rare for first-generation Teslas, they can be pricey if needed. Have you or someone you know had to replace a Tesla battery? Share your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.